What are you doing? Oh, I hear Daddy. Go get him.
Hi. Hey. Hey, Gavin. Are you going to take me out?
Wow, it's a long road to get to Daddy, huh? It's a long way, but it'll be worth
Hey,
it.
buddy, come on.
Aw.
You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy.
It's gotta hurt the knees after a while.
Come on. Come on. Yay! Good job. Whee! Hey, where you find Mom? Hi, Mom. Hi. You want to say hi to her? Yeah. Can you say hi to her? Huh? Can you say hi
Hi,
to Mom?
Gavin.
You say hi?
You're on camera. Hello.
Say hi to her?
Are you glad Daddy's home? Yeah.
Week's over. It's Friday night.
Yay, let's celebrate. Bye-bye.
Bye. You say goodbye? You say goodbye?